Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Spanish video lesson. Today's numbers we're going to learn in Spanish are the 520 to 529 numbers. The first number we're going to learn is number 520. 520 is written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced Quinientos, Veinte, Quinientos, Veinte, Quinientos, Veinte, Quinientos, Veinte. The next number is 521. 521 is written like this, and it's pronounced Quinientos veintiuno, Quinientos veintiuno, Quinientos veintiuno, Quinientos veintiuno. The next number is 522. 522 is written like this in Spanish, and as you can see here, it has an accent or a cap on top of the last O in the second word. So how do we pronounce 522 in Spanish? Well, it's Quinientos veintidós, Quinientos veintidós, Quinientos veintidós, Quinientos veintidós. The next one is 523. 523 is written like this in Spanish, and it too has the cap, accent mark, or line over the last E in the second word. So how do we pronounce this number? Well, it's pronounced Quinientos veintitrés, Quinientos veintitrés, Quinientos veintitrés, Quinientos veintitrés. The next number is 524. The number 524 is written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced Quinientos veinticuatro, Quinientos veinticuatro, Quinientos veinticuatro, Quinientos veinticuatro. The next number is 525. 525 is written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced Quinientos veinticinco, Quinientos veinticinco, Quinientos veinticinco, Quinientos veinticinco. The next number we have is 526. 526 is written like this, and it too has a cap, accent mark on top of the last E of the second word. So how do we pronounce 526? Well, it's Quinientos veintiséis. Oh, there's an I here that's missing. Quinientos veintiséis, Quinientos veintiséis, Quinientos veintiséis. Remember, there's an I missing right there that I forgot to put. The next number is 527. 527 is written like this in Spanish, and it has a pronunciation of Quinientos veintisiete, Quinientos veintisiete, Quinientos veintisiete, Quinientos veintisiete. The next number we're learning is 528. 528 is written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced Quinientos veintiocho, Quinientos veintiocho, Quinientos veintiocho, Quinientos veintiocho. The last number we're going to learn is 529. 529 is written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced Quinientos veintinueve, Quinientos veintinueve, Quinientos veintinueve, Quinientos veintinueve. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that'll end the video for today. Remember, you had trouble remembering how to write the Spanish number as well as pronounce the Spanish number. Please stop, rewind, replay over and over again until you're able to understand and memorize the numbers and pronunciation. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.